How to open or create new RingCentral account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded RingCentral app on your device. If not, you can head towards your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download, launch it. You will land to this kind of interface. At the bottom, you will see the option of Create Free Account. Click on that option. Now here you're gonna get this pop-up. Are you 16 years of age or older? Select the option of your choice. Then, here you're gonna see the option of continue with Google, Apple or email address. You can directly enter your email address over here, or also you can click on the option of Google or Apple to create your account. I'm gonna directly enter my email address. Once you type in your email address, click on the option of create free account. Click on confirm. Now you will be receiving mail from RingCentral support. You have to close this and check your mail. So at the top you can see that RingCentral has sent me the mail. You'll also receive similar kind of mail. Open the mail, click on activate account. Now wait for a few seconds. Set up your free account. You have to fill this. Type in your first name, then type in the last name. Likewise type in the company name. Generate password for your account. Make sure your password fulfill all these requirements. Then you can click on the option of create my account. You have to wait for a few seconds, it's in the process. You can click on skip, and just with that you have created your account. So this is how you can easily sign up for a RingCentral account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.